This production was filmed in front of a live audience.
Boys, you know what time it is? It's cooking time! You might be asking, Espiet, what could you possibly be cooking? You are not a cook. You're definitely no, you can't cook. You can't cook. But what I'm going to say is that I can cook, and to prove it, I'll cook something I haven't cooked correctly, but can now. So today, we're actually going to be cooking chicken. Not just any chicken, we're cooking Tyson chicken, one of the best chicken. You know, if you're a college student, you're making that type of chicken. Bada bing, like bada bing, come on. Okay boys, this is gonna be the kitchen. This is actually gonna be where we're gonna be cooking for the rest of the season. Probably, I don't really know. So as you can see, today I'm gonna be going into the freezer. This is mine. And we got Tyson chicken. As you can see, it's uncooked, breaded, and it's chicken breast tenderloin. If you want like a good meal, bada bing, get some Tyson chicken. This is not an ad. This is not an ad in the slightest, not in the slightest. So today we're going to be taking some Tyson chicken, and how we're going to be cooking it is we're going to be using that oven, we preheated, bada bing, get it ready. We're going to be slapping that chicken right in. So bada bing, as you can see there, I put the oven on 450 as a preheat. I don't really know how to do anything else that's not baked, so we're going on 450. Basically take whatever we're taking to put the chicken in. I would use that pan, but it's not my pan, so we're not using the pan. Of course, we're gonna need safety equipment. Be safe, you know. I'm not liable. I'm not liable for anything you do. I'm liable for what I do, and that's what I'm doing. We got these mitts. We also have these thingamajigs. You know, I kind of think I have a little bit too much energy for this video. As they say in the business, bada bing, bada boom. Not everybody's gonna have a kitchen. So if you do have to share a kitchen, always try to clean up. Also take your stuff, because you don't want to lose that stuff, like your chicken. You don't want to lose the chicken. You don't want to lose chicken. Chicken, that's food. That's good food. Honestly, the first time I cooked You gotta understand, I am Italian. It's kind of an embarrassment to not know how to cook. But there's always a first for everything. I'm usually the first for everything. I'll wing it. I wing everything. I was with this one girl and I'm like, I need to cook this food because if I don't eat it, I don't know what to do with it. Do you want to have some chicken? She's like, sure. And I'm like, sweet. So I'm there cooking chicken, and I'm like, you know what? You know what's a great number to cook it at? Great number, 350. I do for cake, it could probably work with chicken. It doesn't work with chicken. And at that point, we're both basically eating poison chicken. They're not cooked chicken, they're poisons. So let's just say, I don't really talk to that girl anymore. Well, guess what? This video is gonna be physical proof I can cook chicken. The oven has now preheated. We're gonna take your little mittens. Open this banger. Woo! Hot. If I got glasses, it would be foggy. Slap it in there. Just slap it in there like bada bing. And now, we set up a timer. Since we're gonna be putting the timer on the oven. I would say 15 minutes. Now, as you can hear, bada bing. The chicken is basically done to flip. Now we just gotta get our mittens because it's gonna be hot. It's definitely gonna be hot. Stick this in it and just flip them. Slap them back in there. 15 more minutes. What that means? It's dinner time, baby. It's dinner time. That's hot. That's hot. Woo. Woo. Look at that. Look at that. Look at those beauties. Look at those beauties. How do you turn off the oven? Boom, baby. Boom. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Sizzling hot. Sizzling hot. That's what I call it. There.